Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Jeff Colbert from Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, and today I want to talk to you about just chiropractic care in general and the fact that everybody can benefit from an adjustment, whether you perceive that you need one or not, because it's all about balancing your spine and nervous system so that muscles, joints, organs, glands, and skin are functioning properly. And the way that gets done is by having an adjusted or a well-balanced nervous system. Dr. Jeff Colbert from Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, your leader in alternative healthcare.